Today I come up with new video for you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to press like, share, subscribe and bell icon given below so that you can get notification when I upload new videos for you. Here you can see this is a Mazak Matrix 2 control panel of Mazak machine. This is a machine of 7 axis Milton machine, or we can say this is a multi-axis Milton machine, as both operation is can be operated there as milling as well as turning operation. This is a 3-jaw chuck. You can see this is a tool spindle head and this is a tail stalk. You can see now we are fixing jaws in the chuck. This is we can fix and tighten. This is a 3-jaw chuck where the workpiece will be hold. Now we adjust these. We are adjusting these 3-jaw chucks, and this pipe is for coolant. Now we close the door and operate by this control panel. You can see we are pressing XY direction and we press the button cycle start. Now the tool will operate automatically. Now you can see the tool is changing by this turret. This is a tool turret of a Mazak machine. This is Integrex I200. This tool is changing. This is a tool turret, or we can say Mazak machine tool magazine. This is our control panel and this is MDI screen, green screen, and we will put manually a program and cycle start on and operate the manually. Now our tool spindle head is at the position horizontally with respect to the rotating axis of the chuck. This position of the tool head is B is equal to 0 degree. This is a 0 degree B axis and we adjust according to this boring tool which is clamped at the tool spindle. We can say this is an internal tool also, and we will adjust according to this boring tool. We will set it as we have to hold the we will according to this insert and boring we will fix this 3 jaws so that we can hold a, a round bar. Now we take back the tool and we fix this workpiece. Now you can see the position we hold the workpiece in this 3-jaw chuck. This is before machining. You can see where this workpiece we have clamped in these 3-jaw chuck. Now this is the tool, boring tool. This is This is control panel of Mazak machine. This is the Mazak program, Mazatol program we can say. This is the B position of tool. Now this is the position vertically. B position of the tool head is 90 degree, as it is vertical with respect to the rotating axis of the chuck, and you can see the tail stalk came out from there, and from this uh, tail stalk touches the workpiece, so that it will not allowing the workpiece to fluctuate. It will be rigid when it will rotate, so that machining will be properly. After opening the door, we will get this desired shape. After machining, we will get this shape which we required. Now this is a digital vernier caliper. This is the digital vernier. We will measure the thickness. This is a digital micrometer. We will measuring diameter of the workpiece in microns. So we will using the micrometer. This is the manual depth gauge, as we are measuring the depth manually. This is a manual depth gauge, as there is no digital dial. There is no any dial. So this is, we can see the value at the manually. We see the and we read this manually. So this is called manual micrometer. Manual depth gauge. And now we take out the finished workpiece, and this is positions of X, Y, Z, B, C, Z, and this is the program. This is tool showing below, and this is this tool. This is a drill, solid carbide drill. Now we will put another piece here, next piece which we have to operate. Now closing the door. Now we'll press this cycle start button. Now the tail stalk is coming and touches the workpiece, so that it will give a rigid position for the workpiece. Now you can see this is the tool head. Spindle comes out, changing the tool. This is the turning tool with the coolant. This is the magazine where tool is. This is our finished pieces. Identical pieces are these are the identical pieces which we have made till. This is through the 5 7 this is multi through the